Good morning to all of our well-wishers and viewers of the day. We have started with the global economic scenario, impact and social dependency on steel in our last video. Today I would like to share the beginning history of steel. Steel had played a vital role in industrial revolution in 1830. Let's know the history of modern steel industry. Before about 1860, steel used mostly in cutlery, sold and to make different types of tools. The history of modern steel industry started in late 1850s. For bulk productions or handy Weismont developed Weismont process. This process was invented in 1856. In this process, molten pig iron is converted to steel by blowing air through it after it was removed from the furnace. The key principle is removal of impurities from the iron by oxidation with air being blown through the molten iron. After 1980, open heart steel making process, that is OHF, was taken the place of basement process. The open heart furnace uses the heat of combustion of gaseous or liquid fuels to convert a charge of scrap and liquid blast furnace iron to liquid steel. The high flame temperature required for melting is obtained by preheating the combustion of air and sometimes the fuel gas. This process originated in 1860 in Germany and in France. Open heart steel making process had another name, that is Siemens-Martin process. This two process was in introduction of cheap steel. But later that scientists and the inventors are trying to reduce the cost of steel making process. And as because the demand of famous steel is increasing world day by day. That's why globally and nationally we are trying to how we can reduce the costing of making steel. Thus we can able to forward more. We can build more infrastructure. We can go forward rapidly, and we are also trying to manufacture quality steel also by reducing cost. And in Bangladesh, most of the company are using the blast furnace steel today. But in future, about very recently, in our country also have started the manufacturing quality steel by reducing cost. And day by day in our videos, we will share with you those information which are those company are reducing the cost, how we can able to achieve the ultimate or the optimum price of steel. Then the development will be hurried with this process. So I like to thank all of you again. We are just sharing very small and very few information in each video, as because of you have you don't have a lots of time to see us, or you don't have enough time to see our video, as because it is the time of work. So thank you very much. See you later. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.